Nobody does that.
We did not carry anybody.
The man took this Arab, we will not allow because he was cheap on the and then for you to carry land.
Sir, everything was acquired legally.
Will you stop that?
You
Will you stop that?
Sir, I'm an officer, have integrity.
Shut up, your man, put us.
Sir, I will not shut up.
Will you get out?
Sir, I won't shut up. Sir,
I was in school, you're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
Will
me
you keep quiet? Get me a big fool.
I'm not
You are a big fool.
I'm not a fool,
You can shoot anybody like that.
Sir, I'm not
You
a
are a big
fool.
fool.
I am not a fool, sir.
As for the time I graduated, you were in primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
Take for which order? You will see what you will not do here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool.
Go and put up your
I'm
man.
an officer. I'm not a fool, sir. I'm an officer.
You would have killed everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We are acting on orders.
You see this country, Nigeria, we get problem. Oh. We still get long way to go for this country. I love the way everybody they applaud the confidence of that soldier. But if you still look deep, you go know say Nigeria still get problem. And the problem of Nigeria is that Nigeria is a big country with a big problem. People only respect you because of your position. And that army man self still play that role for there. You see when Wike they talk? You are foolish. I'm not foolish, sir. Shut up. Don't shut me up, sir. But that policeman talk, he say, you are my junior colleague, you don't talk when I'm talking. I'm talking and policemen are talking. You see I'm now. Problem dey this country, but many of you are not they see. You see, my own problem is that I know they think the way everybody they think. And they reason outside with everybody they reason. Because Nigeria, when I like to they follow crowd. Policeman not they under you or guy. Should be my junior colleague. Policeman not be even policeman rank and army rank not be the same thing. They are not doing the same thing. Police by right, that policeman is civilian for the eyes of that army, for the eyes of that soldier. Even Wike say na civilian. The only person that soldier supposed to take order from na officer way they higher than him in rank in his own military, for military, and the president. Even the governor of a state na civilian for where army dey. So by right, Wike and that police officer are the same people, the same eye. It's supposed you still look them. But you see when one they talk, he talk in defense. You are foolish. I'm not foolish, sir. Shut up. Don't shut me up, sir. But the other one talk, he say you don't talk when I'm talking. Two people, because Wike and that policeman are the same things. Both of them are civilian. When it comes to military, both Wike and that guy are civilian. But you see, because of Wike position, if he they talk in defense. You read the other guy talk, they talk in attack. You just imagine saying that police now all they tell us say you are foolish. Me if you say that police now go easily like that. The problem of Nigeria be that. But everybody just only the part when they my reasoning, I don't feel reason like you. My reasoning is different. If you like carry emotions, and always they give you advice from a place of emotions and sentiment. If Nigeria must move forward, applaud what is right, condemn what is wrong. That's how the country be. The manner in which you talk to that police officer is very, very wrong. But police and army not be the same. Who should be my junior colleague? How police to be your junior colleague? Are you doing the same thing with the police officer? You don't even know what they do. You don't even know what they do. That mentality now, you know work. Where you feel like say police now your junior colleague say I'm talking and policemen are talking. In a country like this now, if you say we get where they go, you say I'm talking and policemen are talking. But Wike they talk for that. Wike a civilian. You they defend yourself. I'm not fully sir. You read the other one talk. You they feel like say you're not supposed to talk for you. They talk, but another civilian they challenge you for there because you they fear say if you go call your oga, if you call your oga now, because that guy if you even call your superior, now just the difference with that. If not that police and that Wike they are the same thing when it comes to military. That police and Wike they are just ordinary civilians in the eyes of that soldier where they there. But because of position, you see the way they address this one, sir. Even as they shut them up, shut up. Don't shut me up, sir. Defense. The other guy they talk, they attack. It's a problem. If you know they see them because you know they use your head, they think. Or now they follow social media, they do things. Me, I know they do my things like that. I will tell you the way it is, irrespective of how you feel. Because now the right thing when I believe say you did right with that. One love. Gigi.
Everything was acquired legally.
Because I carry neglect. Will you stop that?
I'm an integrity officer.
Will you stop that?
Sir, you cannot shut me up.
Get that way. Shut that.
You cannot shut me up.
Who does that?
You cannot shut me up.
Will you stop that?
You cannot shut me. I'm an integrity.
Get that way. I was in school when you
I am
never
acting
school.
on orders, sir.
You are which order?
Sir, you cannot show
You are a
me.
big fool.
Sir, I'm not a fool.
You are a fool.
I am not a fool.
Shut up, will you stop?
I am not a fool.
You are a big fool.
I am not a fool.
You are coming close to
I
me.
am not a fool.
Because I'm an old man. I'll just come out and sit like idiot. You are telling me.